Hi everyone, thanks for watching these videos. And then, I was almost forgetting doing the demonstration for this Gaorangers DX Soul Bird. Over 20 years old toy is here. Actually, the item comes with the box, and box is like this. Huge box, okay. And so you can see. Yeah, we used to have these kind of pictures of the toys with the smiling boy playing with the toy. So we don't do that anymore, all right? But anyway. So you can see sold about here, but also a Gaored figure it says. Unfortunately, the items does not come with this figure by itself. Okay. And also, it mentioned that somewhere that comes with the AV cables, like audios and sounds. It didn't come with that, So this is a pre-owned toys, and the box condition is good. It's beautiful. Just let's show you the ear. Here, 2001. And this is the game console. So you can actually play on TVs as you connect it. So that's what I'm going to do today. But let me show you that just a little bit more details. All right. So it's very clean items. All right. On the back, you take that, larger batteries like this. Okay. It's an A1. I forgot the name of this one, but I think this is not a AAA or not a AA. The one size larger one. So it consumes lots of powers to run other games, and it's got the wheels. Why? Because you can just play with the game. I mean, there's not much game console that you can actually play with the figures, right? And then do the rolling play or something. Yeah, that's a role play, really. Okay, and now when you look at that, you can see all the Gaorangers members, logo on both sides. Okay. And you can open them, and you can see that that's where all the figures can stand. Unfortunately, we don't have those figures, but maybe you have it. Maybe you can find them somewhere in the future. Okay. And Gaored will stand over here. Okay, so you can see this is the control bar. The control buttons over here, and also shooting buttons on the top. Okay, all the sticker applied, and so here's the terminals, and so the video for the sound is here. Okay, and as a toy has the interesting feature, and as you press the button on the top, I really like that. This they say button, but I really like that logo. But it's a very nice mold. They did a pretty good job there. And then as you press that, okay, as you press the button over here, it opens up and shows all the whatever the power ejector or something. Okay, and here's the power switch. So let me just power on. if there's any lights or something. There's no lighting functions, I guess not. No. No LEDs here? No LEDs. Okay. Well, that's okay. And then, anyway, this is the game console, mainly game console. So let me just plug in to the my old TV. Okay, so let me just push in, close it. It doesn't close. Okay, so put that video. Okay, white for this sound. All right. Now you can see my reflections. Okay, so let's do the power on. And so is data here. So it plays that at all the games. You know, it's I really feel that vintage here, okay, because I'm looking at the 8-bit or 6-bit design of the monitors here. So you press that buttons here and then select the game. So game start, 図鑑を見る, encyclopedia, and おまけを見る. Okay. So allow me just to show you the game starts. Okay, let me just and select the buttons, on the top. So we have the stage 1 to stage 5. 陸に住む動物、空を飛ぶ動物、幻の動物、出現する動物か。all the animals appears on this field, okay, and playing. And so I think we need to catch them. So close that. I mean, choose this one. And using that. Okay, so I'm not very good at the games here. There we go. So the basic idea is you choose those left and right buttons and then shoot out those animals. Okay. I wonder how far we go. Oh, okay, 2 more. Come on. Come on. ダチョウに逃げられた。Ostrich run away. Rabbit. Come on. Lion. Ah, the game over. All right. So, fun music. Yes, and this is the result. Okay, so cheetah, horse, bison, camel, fox, rabbit, eagle, and an ostrich. Okay, so we should. So that was the games 1, and we got the bonus picture. I like that. I really like that. This designs and the posing. It's great. Okay, so let's go back. And then we have to get the black one too. Okay, go black. Soul Bird Animal 救出大作戦. So special mission, rescue animal missions. Okay, so we can go for the encyclopedia. So explains that all the animals on living on the land, in the sea, in the sky, and in the jungle, and a cold place. 幻の動物, okay? Mysterious animals, I guess, talking about the power animals, something like that. So this is just example. And 幻の動物. We don't have that anymore. I think it's something we have to do. We need to correct them, and as you get scored, you get the Maburashi Dobutsu. Same thing goes with the other stores. Other encyclopedias as well. So let me just go back to the title, and at the end we have the extra おまけを見る。So we only have 燃える心で敵を倒せ灼熱の獅子ガオレッド。So we have the all the 4 pictures here. Gaored. And again, nice picture. Yeah, that's a pretty fun gameplay. And also, let's go to the next one. 空中戦はお手の物、孤高の表し、ガオイエロ。Okay. So, Gao Yellow one. And let's see pictures. Oh, this is the one that we saw. Okay. I like that. Going back. And in 水の中では敵はなし。怒涛のサメ、ガオブルー。Nice. And you hear that all the sounds as well. And Gaobruck is here. So I think you can get more extra pictures or something right now because my score is almost very low, so it's not here. And I think we have the reset button here as well, so you can start it over again. All right. Oh, we have that over here. Yeah, let me go back. Oh no, wait. Title. Okay, going back to the title. Yeah, so that's the Animal Kyushitsu Daisakusen, the Soul Bird, and yeah, this is it. So this is a Soul Bird working gaming console. Very simple. I believe there's a simple one, but yeah, it's that toys from the over 20 years ago. It's working perfectly, and also the size is pretty big. And then, as you press the button, pops up all that power energy ejectors. And that's a cool one. So I hope that you can enjoy these items, along with the Gaoranger soft vinyl figures. And so you can just, decorate them with a Gaoranger world.